Jai Jagannath. This is Diksha Tiwari extending a warm welcome and a very happy new year to all the Pravasi Bharatiyas, the brand ambassadors of Bharat, or let me put it this way, the brand ambassadors contributing towards a Viksit Bharat. From the land of 1,000 towering temples and a stage that brings together the vast, expanding worlds of our Indian diaspora, I welcome you to this cultural evening organized by the Government of Odisha, Department of Odia Language, Literature and Culture on the occasion of the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas 2025. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of the Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Mohan Charan Maji, and all our esteemed dignitaries. Can we have a big round of applause for them? हमारे आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने आप सभी को विदेशी धरती पर भारत का राष्ट्रदूत का दर्जा दिया है और उन्होंने ये भी कहा है कि विकसित भारत का जो सपना सभी भारतीय देख रहे हैं वो आपके योगदान के बिना अधूरा है. You are the ones who are strengthening the Indian culture of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam all over the world, and as a state we feel privileged and honored to host all the Pravasi Bharatiyas because the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is being celebrated since 2003 to mark your contribution, the contribution of the Indian overseas community in the development of India. It was on January 9, 1915 that Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa, led India's freedom struggle and changed the lives of Indians forever. And today, you all are bringing in the change by working towards helping India realize its dream of Viksit Bharat. I once again extend a very warm welcome to all of you and take this opportunity to invite our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Mohan Charan Maji and all esteemed dignitaries to light the ceremonial lamp for an auspicious beginning to this evening. Traditional and auspicious way to begin any program by invoking the blessings of the divine. Can we have a big round of applause? Come on. This is the auspicious beginning to the cultural evening being organized by Government of Odisha on the occasion of Pravasi Bharatiya Divas 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. S. Jaishankar, Honorable External Affairs Minister, Government of India, is also here with us. We'll also request him to light the ceremonial lamp. We're privileged to have his presence here with us today. थोड़ा जोरदार तालियां मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दे रही है. अब थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. Thank you to all our esteemed dignitaries for doing the honors. After an impactful deliberation earlier during the day as part of the Youth Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, now is the time to delve deep into Odisha, India's best kept, through a dance drama titled Gatha Odisaro Bande Utkala Janani by Odisha Dance Academy, represented through 8 classical dance forms of India, folk and tribal forms and drums of Odisha, and presented before you by 350 artists. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, by more than 350 artists. Can we give a big round of applause for that? And choreographed by none other than Guru Dr. Aruna Mahanti. Inspired by the vision of Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, this dance production will highlight India and its aspiration towards Viksit Bharat while narrating the story of Odisha, a luminous petal of the resplendent lotus that is India. Gatha Odisaro is a saga of an ancient state that has given the world a unique spirituality, at the core of which is the mantra of Vasudeva Kutumbakam. It is at the lotus feet of the Lord of the universe, Mahaprabhu Sri Jagannath, where every faith finds its confluence or the Sangam. This dance drama will transport you thousands of years back, deep into the history of Odisha and Odiyas, a race so brave that it humbled even the mightiest of the kings. It is this land that inspired a million minds, including the ferocious Emperor Ashoka, who on this very soil stood transformed into the messenger of non-violence and peace, and then took Buddhism to the entire world. Gatha Odisaro will also take you through the Paiko Bidroho, Odisha's fight against British for freedom, a saga of valor of a state which bled to protect its identity and independence. Gatha Odisaro will showcase Odisha's rich tapestry of literary traditions, a testament to its cultural depth. It will also take you through the countless stories of women empowerment in the state, where every woman is revered as Subhadra and is a symbol of Shakti Swarupini. It will also highlight why Odisha has earned the enviable tagline of India's best kept secret, being blessed with natural bounty from lush forests to pristine beaches and unique flora and fauna. Ladies and gentlemen, from our magnificent temples, our pride and glory, to our colorful fairs and festival, from our exquisite handloom and handicraft to our delectable Odia Byanjana or cuisine, including the divine Mahaprasad, Gatha Odisaro will leave you spellbound and wanting for more. Needless to mention, it will also showcase the Ratha Jatra of Mahaprabhu Lord Jagannath, the chariot festival, which is the grandest of confluence of faith, symbolizing Vasudeva Kutumbakam. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to also inform that at the end of the dance drama, we will play the state song Bande Utkala Janani, and I request everyone to rise during that occasion. So concept by Guru Dr. Aruna Mahanti and Sri Deva Prasad Das, choreography by Guru Dr. Aruna Mahanti, assistance in choreography by Janardhan Raj Urs, lyrics, traditional Odia literature, music composition, Agni Mitra Behera, additional music input, Guru Ramahari Das, Praveen D. Rao, rhythm, Guru Dhaneshwar Swai, and Ajay Kumar Chaudhary. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to experience the magic Gatha Odisaro. A big round of applause as I invite more than 350 artists on stage for this performance. Thank you so much.
संकल्प ले अब तू, ले शपथ नवनिर्माण नव प्रकाश का ध्वजावाहक बनूं अब तू, नवनिर्माण नव प्रकाश का ध्वजावाहक बनूं अब तू, प्रवासी भारतीय को ले शपथ शपथ ले शपथ ले शपथ।
ये साहस समर्पण से लिखो अपनी नई दास्तां,
साहस समर्पण से लिखो अपनी नई दास्तां, तन मन धन बलिदान के साथ,
तन मन धन बलिदान के साथ,
पूरी इच्छा शक्ति के साथ,
पूरी इच्छा शक्ति के साथ,
भारत के इस संस्कृति का नायक बन अब तू, प्रवासी भारतीय को
Katha Odisha aspires to be the tale of Odisha, a radiant petal in the resplendent lotus that is India.
ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवा, भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः, त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णु त्वं रुद्र त्वं इन्द्र त्वं अग्नि त्वं वायु त्वं सूर्य त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरो।
गणपति पद्म पूजित बाल गण विनाकित तकित दिक्कित तकित धुमकित तकित विघ्न हरता वीर गणपति बुद्धि दाता भीम भूपति विश्वराजा गुणिन कीरति तगिन तिट 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 तकट क्रांत क्रांति तकत दीघन धातृ धातृ
गणपतये नमः। ॐ गणपतये नमः। ॐ विनायक सकल विश्व का मंगलदायक सकल विश्व का मंगलदायक हे गणनायक विघ्न विनायक हे गणनायक विघ्न विनायक सिद्धि विनायक वेद विनायक सिद्धि विनायक वेद विनायक मूषिका वाहन हे वरदायक मूषिका वाहन हे वरदायक हे गणनायक विघ्न विनायक हे गणनायक विघ्न विनायक
गणानां गणपति गणेश लंबोदर सोह भुजाचार एकदंत चंद्रमा ललाटराज ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश काल देव ध्रुपद गाव अति विचित्र गणनाथ आज मेरे रंग बजा धर धर गदा दिन दिन नग नग धन धन दिन तक नन तत्रिगिन त्रिगित दिन दिन तुनक तनक ताकदान कृत घरान तरान दाकृत घरान तरान दाकृत घरान तरान धरान तरान दाकृत घरान तरान दाकृत घरान तरान धरान तरान दाकृत घरान
गणनायक विघ्न विनायक हे गणनायक विघ्न विनायक सकल विश्व का मंगलदायक सकल विश्व का मंगलदायक हे गणनायक हे गणनायक हे गणनायक
Sri Jagannatha, the Lord of the universe, embodies the collective consciousness of the cosmos. He is a magnificent symbol of diverse faith and beliefs, embracing the profound wisdom of tribals Jaina, Buddha, Shakta, Shaiva and Vaishnava traditions.
प्रणिपत्य जगन्नाथ सर्वजीवरार्चितं प्रणिपत्य जगन्नाथ सर्वजीवरार्चितं शरणं गच्छामि
Tychon, the silent manuscript of the emptiness. He is the primordial sound, the Anahata Naga, and is the fountainhead of every word, sound, and letter, the divine cosmic resonance. The transformative story of Kalinga in 261 BCE, where the valor of its warriors turned Emperor Ashoka into Dharmashoka, underscores Odisha's historical significance as a beacon of peace.
निर्माता जय हे झञ्झागरे अचल अटल नवनिर्माता जय हे विश्व विजयी विश्व तपन धर्मधारक जय हे 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 जय हे
The king of Kanchi insulted Purushottama Deva, the king of Puri, because he swept the Lord's chariot and refused the hand of the Kanchi princess in marriage. In response to this insult, Purushottama Deva launched a military campaign against Kanchi. During the battle, Lord Jagannatha and his brother Balabhadra descended to lead Purushottama Deva's army, avenging the humiliation. On his way to the battlefield, the Lord quenched his thirst by drinking curd from a milkmaid named Maniko. As gratitude, he gave her his ring to collect payment from King Purushottama. Upon seeing the ring, the king of Puri realized that Lord Jagannatha himself was leading the conquest to restore the honor and pride of the Odia people. Odisha's grand temples, built in different eras, are lasting icons of architectural splendor and spiritual inclusivity. Their intricate carvings and cosmic alignment showcase artistic mastery and deep philosophical insight.
Oh
लिंगराज राजा रानी मुक्तेश्वर गगन चुंबी ए बरदीन दुदनी स्वरर रेख लिंगराज राजा रानी मुक्तेश्वर महाकीर्ति कोणार्क महाकीर्ति कोणार्क
The proud Odia not only engraved poetry on stone, they engraved poetry in words, in dreams, in enchantment. The great poets of the soil, Sudramuni Sarala Das, Balaram Das, Jagannath Das, Kavi Samrat Upendra Bhanja, Santa Kavi Bhima Bhoi, laid a rich foundation reflecting the civilizational aspirations of Odia people and language. The emperor of poets, Upendra Bhanja, created a vast ocean of words and emotions in Odia language. His poetry had such power and capability, such skill, such sweetness, so many meters, so many metaphors, such aesthetics.
देखरे नलिनी 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 रे पूरित भ्रमंती भ्रमरे 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 शोभित। अरे केते नलिनी केते भ्रमर, अरे सबु नलिनी सबु भ्रमर अर्थ पृथक। सेई तो उपेन्द्र भंजंकर अलंकार।
देखरे नलिनी 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 रे पूरित भ्रमरे 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 शोभित। राजीव नयना खेला करई बाड़ी छड़ी राम बामन मूर्ति मनरे ध्याई उप इंद्र वीर बर जे रस प्रहरी
ସମସ୍ତେ ତୁମ୍ଭ ଭକ୍ତ, ସମସ୍ତେ ତୁମ୍ଭ ଭକ୍ତ, ପ୍ରାଣୀଙ୍କ ଦେଖୁ ଦେଖୁ ଏ ବାସ জীবন পথে লড়কে পড়ি জগত উদ্ধার হেউ।
The saint poet Bhima Boy prayed to the Lord to let him take the pain and sufferings of mankind. He prayed for the salvation of the world, connecting Odia sensibility with ideas of equality and compassion. Consciousness of Odia narrative was woven to bring back the political identity of Odias. This movement led to the creation of a new state on the basis of Odia language in 1936.
अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो, भारत छोड़ो, भारत छोड़ो, अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो, भारत छोड़ो, भारत छोड़ो, क्विट इंडिया, 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 करो या मरो, करो या मरो, करो या मरो, करो या मरो, do or die, do or die, do or die, do or die. ମୟୂରଭଞ୍ଜ ଓ ଗଡ଼ଜାତ ମିଶ୍ରଣ ସହିତ ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣାଙ୍ଗ ରୂପ ପାଇଥିଲା ଆଜି ଓଡ଼ିଶା।
Fairs and festivals of Odisha highlight the rich traditions of Odias, intertwining their celebrations with Lord Jagannatha and nature. These festivities unify the people from every corner of Odisha, creating a vibrant cultural tapestry. For centuries, fearless sailors from Odisha conquered the high seas, forging prosperous trade routes with Southeast Asia. Facing unimaginable dangers, these sailors united diverse cultures, connecting the hearts and minds of people from distant lands. Odia cuisine beautifully combines simplicity and tradition with flavors of mustard, coconut and pokkalo harmonizing together. From the sacred Mahaprabhu's Mahaprasad to Odisha's pride, Rasagolla, and an array of pitha and meetha, every dish tells a story.
चंद्र
are self-sufficient and on the road to reach the pinnacle of entrepreneurship. They are the core energy, strength and aspiration of Odisha. Of sandy beaches make us the tourism destination of an entire region. For centuries, the hills and plains of Odisha have resonated with the rhythmic beats of drums and cymbals. the graceful and expressive movements of tribal and folk dancers have added to Odisha's vibrant cultural mosaic, enchanting the world.
मयूर सदरी पर्वत खाई राधा कृष्ण अंश शून्य पूजाई भाग परी तल कुशीर नाना बंध कले की मनोहर नाना बंध कले की मनोहर नाना बंध कले की मनोहर
বাজনারে তাই তাই হাসি মন মহকি যাসি করে ফুলের বাসনারে রাত্রি শুন ঘড়ি ধন ধঙ্গরা নেই লাগে ঝুমুরা পুনি জন ঘট ঘটা স্বর্গকে তোরা ধঙ্গরা নেই লাগে ঝুমুরা পুনি জন ঘট ঘটা স্বর্গকে তোরা মুড়ি ঠাকুর কাকের সুন্দর তাল মেলা मुरी ठाकुर का तेरे सुंदर ताल मेला चुमुक चुमुक नाचुती बुरे सुंदर सकाल चुमुक चुमुक बाजू अच्छा तो पूरे पांचल चुमुक चुमुक नाचुती बुरे सुंदर सकाल चुमुक चुमुक बाजू अच्छा तो पूरे पांचल
Ladies and gentlemen, now we know why Martha Graham had once said that dancers are the messengers of gods. Magnificent, splendid, spellbinding, spectacular, falling short of adjectives. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause for all the artists, all the 350 artists led by Guru Dr. Aruna Mahanti, please. Let's give them a big round of applause. Oh my God. This is such a spectacular moment here, ladies and gentlemen. That was outstanding. Arunapa, that was outstanding. Absolutely. I would want one more, yaar. Ek aur zordar taaliyan ho jaye sare artists ke liye. You know, it isn't easy to present a performance of this magnitude. 350 artists, you would have seen life-size props being used. You know, days and months of hard work, sweat, all has gone, the rehearsals to bring about this outcome on stage today. A big round of applause, indeed. That was truly the narration of a magical story, the story of Odisha. All right, there is a special request for our Honorable Chief Minister and our Honorable External Affairs Minister, Dr. S. Jaishankar ji, and our Honorable Chief Minister. The artists want कि अगर आप उनको प्रोत्साहन देने के लिए मंच पे आ सके तो उनको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. So we will request their esteemed presence on stage amidst a huge round of applause from all of you. We hope, ladies and gentlemen, that this is a performance that you will remember for a long, long time to come. And every time you remember this performance, you'll have a smile on your face and warmth in your hearts. That is what we are expecting out of this performance. Yes, that's what we want to hear. Remembering this for a long, long time. The excitement among all the Pravasi Bharatiyas says it all. Presented by a team of 350 dancers from Odisha Dance Academy, Utkal Sangeet Mahavidyalaya, Nritya Naividya, Odissi Dance Creation. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, the icing on the cake, we have our Honorable Chief Minister Odisha, Shri Mohan Charan Maji, and our Honorable External Affairs Minister, Government of India, Dr. S. Jaishankar, all here on stage with our other esteemed dignitaries to encourage the artists. This is the best gift that they can get. Appreciation from our esteemed dignitaries. I would meanwhile keep wanting to acknowledge all the institution, Devdasi, Suravi, Sur Mandir, Samprada, Nakshatra, Gurukul, Moksha, Fate Puri, Mahabir Sanskritik Anustan, Kalajibi Bargad, Pairi, Subarnapur, Gayatri Kala Sangathan, Raigada. So many institutions have come together to make this a reality. We must applaud for each one of them. Oh my God, this is such a special moment for all of us. And the applause says it all. Yes.
नहीं अब देखिए मैं आज बहुत सारे हमारे बीच में बहुत मेहमान हैं, प्रवासी मेहमान हैं, और मैं सबकी ओर से मैं जो परफॉर्मेंस जो था, अब इसके लिए कुछ शब्द ही नहीं है कि आप लोगों जो है आपने जो उड़ीसा की जो संस्कृति विरासत की बात करते हैं, परंपरा की बात करते हैं, आपने दर्शा दिया। अब इससे ज़्यादा आज मुझे कुछ कहने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है। मैं सब कलाकारों को, आपको, आपकी टीम को, मैं सबकी ओर से मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं। आज बहुत ही वंडरफुल परफॉर्मेंस था और मुझे लगता है कि आपने एक किस्म से कल के लिए, कल पीबीडी के लिए टोन बिल्कुल ठीक सेट कर दिया है। तो एक बार और धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir.
We would once again like to thank all our esteemed dignitaries for gracing this stage. And a big round of applause once again for all our artists. And what can be the biggest accomplishment for them? They all received a standing ovation from you, so I think that says it all.